Hello, I'm your ICT teacher. My name is Ahmed. So today's lesson is grade 8 lesson. Today's lesson is about inserting an image, resizing the image, cropping the image, and text wrapping. And we will display and give examples for each feature. So here, let's assume that you don't have any pictures in your computer. Okay, so we go to Start menu and we look for snipping tool. Snipping tool. So whenever we go to snipping tool, and then we will have this window. We click on new. For example, if I want to snip some area of my desktop, then I click on new. Then I can select which part I want to snip. Then I release. Then here you can edit the picture that you snipped. Okay, right on it. Give some, for example, errors, something to write. Okay, then after that we click on this button, which is the save button. Okay, and then we just save it. Let's say in desktop or in pictures. On default, it will take you to pictures directly. Okay, and press save. Then, like this, we have snipped a picture. In case that you don't have any picture in your computer or laptop, so we go back now to Microsoft Word. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay. So like this, we want to insert the picture. To insert the picture, we go to Insert button here. We click on Pictures and this device picture. Okay, so let's search for the picture that we have done, and there it is. It's name capture. So this is the picture that we have snipped before, and then like this, to resize the picture for the features that we talked about: resizing, rotating, cropping, and text wrapping. For example, the first thing is the resizing. Resizing is very easy in Microsoft Word. So you can resize it as big as you want, and you can put it like this. We cannot put the pictures anywhere. That's because of the text wrapping, and we will talk about it in a minute. So like this, you can resize the picture as big as you want or small as you want. Okay, so let's say that actually you've gone out of the picture and you start writing. Okay, whenever you start writing, you cannot edit the picture anymore unless you select the picture. Okay, then you go to format. Whenever you go to format, then we have many things like rotate 90 degrees, 190 degrees again, the opposite side, or alignment, or there is the crop. This is the cropping tool. Okay, so whenever you click on crop, then you will see this kind of square to control which area that you want to keep. Okay, so we want to keep, let's say that we want to keep only these two. Okay, these two mountains. Let me make it a bit more smaller. Okay, like this parent. Okay, we press enter. Okay, so let's say that I want to write. Okay, so here in default, only the last line will be next to the picture in default. Either you write above it, or the last line will be next to the picture. You cannot write in this area unless you choose to be unless you do the text wrapping. So how to do the text wrapping? Either you go to format, and you choose the text wrapping from here. Okay, or you just click the picture itself and you click on this one, on this button. Whenever you click on this button, you can see with text wrapping. What do they mean by with text wrapping? Means, for example, this one, you can see an examples actually. So this one, you can see that only the last line is next to the picture. Here, you can write the picture. You can write the text next to it from the right or the left. It depends on the position of the picture. So let's choose this one. So whenever we choose this one, see all writing has been gone to the next of the next to the picture. So here we can write as much as we want next to the picture. Okay. So let's try something else. Another text wrapping. See this one. This one is very clear. Means everything will be up and down. Nothing, not even one line will be next to it. Let's try it. See, all the writing become up and down. None of it is going next to it, not from the right or the left. So here, after actually we tried to move it before we do the text wrapping, and we couldn't, right? So now we can. After choosing this kind of with text wrapping, so like this, you can move it anywhere we want. Okay, so let's go back to this. See, now the writing become from left and right. Why? Because I moved this picture to the from left to right, so there's spaces to write here and there. Let's make it to right, so all the writing become on the left, and that's how to control the text wrap, or how to wrap the text around the picture. Okay, so let's try something else. Let's try this one, which is writing above the picture, and this one the picture above the writing. Okay, it will hide even the what did you wrote. Okay, so this is not really useful. This one consider okay, so you can see the picture and write. Okay, and let's go, and that's it. Okay, and that's for text wrapping. Try to adjust and try to put more examples in this and exercise with it, and try the borders. So for the borders, you can choose any borders from here. Okay, so that's it for today, and see you next time.